classic, delicious, and unbelievably easy tiramisu recipe. Let's cook this restaurant-quality, no-bake dessert at home. In the first medium bowl, mix together 200 milliliters strongly brewed espresso and 50 milliliters coffee liqueur. Set aside and let cool. In the second medium bowl, mix 5 large egg yolks, 125 grams of sugar, whip together using an electric mixer. In the third bowl, whip 400 milliliters of heavy cream until stiff peaks. And add 400 grams mascarpone cheese. Mix the second and the third bowls slowly until smooth and creamy. Now, let's prepare the layers of Ladyfingers and mascarpone cream. Take store-bought Ladyfingers biscuits and quickly dip each into the first bowl with espresso mixture. Place them on the bottom of the dish. A little space in between is okay. Spread the mascarpone cream over the Ladyfingers. Repeat. Top with shaved or finely grated chocolate and cocoa powder if desired. Decorate with fresh mint leaves. Cover and refrigerate for at least 6 hours before serving. Enjoy your homemade tiramisu! And subscribe to my channel for more delicious ideas.